Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to bypass iCloud on iPhone 8 Plus, no signal, using jailbreak method. So first of all, you have to install the software here, this WinRAR 2.1. You have to make sure you install it. As you can see, the device is on hello screen mode. So you have to install the software, the WinRAR 2.1. So go ahead, take your USB cord, connect it. You have to take your USB cord. Now, as you can see here, we have jailbreak device using check running 0.3 from A11, iOS 15 to iOS 17. That this software is compatible if the device is running iOS 17. It's also compatible for jailbreak method. If it's compatible for 15, it's also made for the jailbreak method. As you can see here, we have 12 to iOS 14. So this one is only for the iPhone 5, iPhone 6. Some iPhone 6 are running iOS 12. So click next to enter the recovery mode. As you can see, device entering on recovery mode now. Just follow the instruction. Side button, that's the power key, and volume down button, this one there, this one, you have to click the both of them. So go ahead, click on start, follow the instruction, quickly release the power button, continue holding the volume down button. Okay, DFU mode now. Device is in DFU mode. Let's look at it there. As you can see, jailbreaking. Device is booting. All done. All done now. Wait for it to boot. Okay, the device is jailbroken now. So for you to know, you have to close this WinRAR. You have to exit this one and open up 3U tools. Open 3U tools to check whether the device has been jailbroken or not. Open the 3U tools. You have to launch it. Okay, as you can see here, the device has been jailbroken. The AF2C software has been installed in the iPhone 8 Plus. So now you can go ahead and bypass with no signal. Mind you, this one is only for no signal. Signal services, you have to go on your web and register for the serial. So you go ahead and download the software for bypass. But as far as this is concerned, you have to use unlock tool or TFT. So secondly, we have to go to unlock tool. We have so many brands, as you can see here. We have so many brands. Go ahead, click on Apple. Yes, I understand. Click Ramdix. Now you have to scroll up, and you can see here we have bypass hello jailbreak. You see there. Now go ahead, click this method, bypass hello jailbreak. Change serial, no. No change serial. Wait for it. Wait for it to connect. As you can see, the device is running iOS 16.7.11, which is the latest version. The device is bypassing now the hello screen. As you can see there, the hello screen is bypassing. So it's done. Now the iPhone 8 Plus has been bypassed successfully, the hello screen mode. So wait for the device to boot and check. So guys, please follow my YouTube channel, like, subscribe and share. It's all done. It's all done, guys. It's all done. It's all done. As you can see, our iPhone 8 Plus has been bypassed successfully with no issue. Activated successfully. Just go ahead and check the tools info. The device is running iOS 16.7.11 20H360 jailbroken device, because now in this part you have no, now the jailbroken side we have no, because we've already bypassed the phone. The hello screen mode has been bypassed now, so there's no need for the AF2C to be installed in the device. It has to go. So thank you very much. Please like, subscribe and share. Don't forget to like, share the channel, okay?